Good morning, my dear students. Today, welcome to my online class. Today, let us see what homophones are. Homophones. English can be a confusing language to learn. Have you ever come across two words that sound the same but have different meanings? These are called homophones. In this detailed guide, you will learn a few sets of homophones with real native examples. Let us see what these are. Homophones are two or more words that sound the same, identical pronunciation, but have different meanings. These words are often spelled differently in English too. For example, pair, pair. The term homophone comes from Greek homo. Homo means same and phone means sound or voice. So the word literally means same sound. English has more homophones than most languages because its pronunciation has changed a lot over time, while its spelling has changed very little. Many words have been borrowed from other languages through the centuries, and this explains why English spelling is so strange or confusing. For example, write, Old English, write, versus write, Old English. So, in the past, these words would have been pronounced differently, but today they all sound the same in modern English. Let us see some funny words. 1. The number that comes after 0 but before 2. 1. O-N-E. 1. Number. My son is 1 year old today. 1. The past tense of win. The football team won 2 games in a row. So see the difference between 1 and 1. Spellings are different. Pronunciation is same. 2. The number that comes after 1 and before 3. A pair. 2. He bought 2 packets of crisps. 2. This is a preposition. In the direction of a particular location. I am going to the shop. TO2, TWO2. Cereal. Cereal, cereal. Cereal, grain used for food. For example, wheat, type of dried breakfast eaten with milk. My favorite cereal is cornflakes. Serial, a story or program delivered in installments, taking place in series. We are seeing so many serials in TV, right? So that is also serial. The serial killer loved watching serials on TV. Continuous, taking one by one. So both these words are serial. Okay. Now, meat, meat. Meat, food from the flesh of an animal. The hotel guest got food poisoning because the meat was not cooked properly. This okay? Meet, we are meeting people, arrange or happen to cross paths with somebody. I am going to meet my friend at the train station this evening. So, pronunciation is same, spellings are different. Meet, meat. Chili, small spicy pepper or pod used in cooking. I ordered the Mexican hot pizza but could not eat the chili on top. You know, chili, a bit cold, not warm. Don't forget your coat. It is a bit chilly out today. Very chill, cold. So pronunciation is same, spellings are different. See the difference between chilly and chilly. Wine. Wine. Alcoholic drink made from fermented grapes. Fermented grapes. Chilled white wine goes well with fish. That is wine. Wine. Long high pitched cry, complain. The little dog shivered by the door and let out a whine. So this is the sound of a dog. Dogs are whining. Whine, whine. See the difference. Bite, bite. Tear something apart with teeth. Let us grab a bite to eat in town after work. Byte. This is a unit of measurement of digital information. How many bytes are there in each character in MS Word? So you know this. So see the spelling and see the difference. Great, great, great. Shred into small pieces using a food grater. The recipe says we need to grate the cheese into the sauce. Great, large, prominent, very good. The great white shark is the great hunter. See the difference? Difference in spelling, pronunciation, same. Hare, hare, hare. Animal that looks like a large rabbit. The hare hopped through the woodland. Hair growing from the skin of humans and other animals. Her hair was so long that she had to wear a large hot hat to work. See the difference? Spelling is different, pronunciation is same. Deer, deer. Large animal with antlers similar to a small elk or moose. Some UK farmers keep deer and breed them for their meat. Dear, beloved person. Okay. The wedding ring that you have chosen is a bit too dear, my dear. So here the dear means expensive and here the dear means beloved person. So there is a difference between the spelling, pronunciation is same. Flee, flee. Small jumping parasitic insect that often lives on dogs or cats. I caught a flea on our cat today, so we will need to wash him with special shampoo. Flee, run away, or escape from danger. After 3 months of bombing, the family decided to flee the conflict in their war-torn city. Flee means to run away, and here flee means some parasitic insect. Pronunciation is same, spellings are different. Boar, boar. Boar means wild pig. We saw a boar and a tiger when we visited the local zoo. Bore. Make someone bored or disinterested, a boring person. Without the children, the teacher is really boring. John such a bore, all the guy talks about is golf and work. Next. Horse, horse. Four-legged animal, this horse everyone knows. Okay. When my grandfather was young, he went to school on a horse and cart. Horse describes a rough or husky voice due to a sore throat. I was feeling hoarse before the concert but managed to sing when I got up on stage. Same thing happens with me also. In the class, I am really free and in front of the computer and such lifeless things, I am feeling hoarse. Okay. Next. Lynx, lynx. Type of medium-sized wildcat. In American Indian mythology, the lynx is considered a keeper of secrets. This is a cat, type of a cat. Links, plural form of link, connections or points of contact. Our company has links to suppliers all over the world. Whale, whale. Whale, largest mammal on earth. Thanks to the work of conservationists, most species of whales are now protected. Wail, high pitched cry of pain, anger, or sadness. I heard a patient wail in agony from the neighboring ward. Wail means crying, crying with pain. Here, pronunciation is same, spellings are different. You can watch it. Next, toad, toad, toad. Again, there are three words here. Number one, toad, T-O-A-D. This is type of large brown frog. There is a toad living in our garden pond and my daughter has named it Freddy. So this is a type of frog. Toad, past tense of tow, when one vehicle pulls another. When our car broke down, a neighbor kindly towed it home for us. Towed means pulling. Okay. Toad, that is an adjective having toes. Okay. The three-toed sloth lives in the jungle of Borneo. Sloth means mammals. Toad, we are all having toes, fingers of, not fingers actually, toes of the leg. Next, I. I is used by a speaker to refer to himself, herself, I, me. I did not enjoy the film. I, the pair of organs that allows to see. He is blind in one eye. Spellings are different, pronunciation is same. You can watch it. Our, hour. Our, belonging to the speaker and one or more other person. We both got our hair cut at the same place. Our means hours. Hour. H is silent here. Period of 60 minutes. The queue for the roller coaster was over an hour, so we did not go on it. So here, see, pronunciation is same. Thank you.